Good morning everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about OpenAI CEO Sam Altman named CEO of the Year by Time, upcoming X-37B mission by US Space Force, Google removes 17 apps used by loan sharks, Tassel partners with Applied Cloud Computing ACC and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Time Magazine awards OpenAI CEO Sam Altman the CEO of the Year for his significant contributions to the tech industry. Altman's achievements include the successful launch of ChatGPT, which amazed over 1 million users within 5 days in November 2022. OpenAI reported a revenue surge from $28 million in 2022 to $100 million per month in 2023. Altman led a hiring spree, launching GPT-4 in March 2023, surpassing its predecessor in capabilities. Despite a temporary ousting on November 17, Altman was rehired as CEO after 5 days of drama with fresh faces on the board. Time Magazine also announced Taylor Swift as Person of the Year and Lionel Messi as Athlete of the Year. Altman's actions faced backlash from employees threatening to quit if the board didn't resign. Next, we have the US Space Force is set to launch the 7th mission of the X-37B orbital test vehicle known as OTV-7, scheduled for 10th December 2023 from Kennedy Space Center, Florida. Notably, this mission, designated USSF-52, will mark the first launch of OTV-7 on a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket, showcasing collaboration between the Space Force and SpaceX. The primary objective of OTV-7 is to conduct experiment and test on various technologies, including solar energy harnessing, space domain awareness technologies, and investigating the radiation effect of NASA material. The X-37B, with an impressive record of 3,774 days in space, serves as a versatile testbed for experimenting with and validating new technologies. Previous missions of the X-37B have included successful experiments like NASA Seeds 2 experiment, highlighting its role in advancing scientific knowledge and space exploration. While specific details of the mission remain undisclosed, the X-37B continues to play a vital role in advancing space-related technologies and capabilities. Google removed 17 apps with over 1 crore downloads allegedly used by loan sharks to deceive users. The apps targeted individuals in Africa, Latin America, and Southeast Asia. ESET researchers report that out of 18 apps brought to Google's attention, 17 were successfully removed. Remaining apps persist on the App Store, albeit in a modified version with altered functionality and permissions. Android users advised to manually delete these apps from their phones. Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center recommends blocking fraud websites engaged in investment schemes and job scams in India. Sony officially announces the arrival of PlayStation VR 2 in India, priced at Rs 57,999. The Horizon Call of the Mountain bundle, priced at Rs 61,999, includes a PlayStation Store voucher code for the VR entry in the popular Horizon series, launched on February 22, 2023. With 40 titles, the PSVR 2 offers 4K resolution, HDR capability, and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. IGN awards the PSVR 2 a score of 9/10, describing it as a significant leap over its predecessor. Despite positive reviews, comment flood, social media post has customer await the Marvel's Spider-Man 2 Collector's Edition. The global next generation computing market is projected to reach USD 515.44 billion by 2030, with a CAGR of 21.4% according to Fortune Business Insights. Rapid advancements in hardware, software, and computational methodologies drive market growth. Key industry developments include investment in quantum technology and the opening of a quantum technology center by Toshiba Europe Limited. Increased cloud adoption, demand for powerful computing hardware, eco-friendly printing, and online shopping contribute to market expansion. Leading companies include Alphabet Incorporation, Alibaba Group Holding Limited, Microsoft, and Amazon Web Services, focusing on mergers, acquisitions, collaborations, and partnerships. The market size was USD 110.57 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow at a CAGR of 21.4% during the forecast period. Next up, we have cloud-based data platform TESL partners with Applied Cloud Computing ACC to revolutionize cloud migration and modernization. These strategic partnerships streamlines end-to-end digital transformation solutions for businesses. Accelerated migration of legacy system, application, and database eliminates the need for multiple migration partners. The partnership democratizes the cloud migration process, allowing a broader pool of customers, including those without cloud expertise. Simplifies database migration management and modernization, enabling faster migration and gaining a competitive edge in the market. TESL's Senior Director Rajesh Krishna expressed excitement about the collaboration. ACC CEO Nilesh Satpute emphasized the partnership's commitment to delivering top-notch cloud services, improving data management in the cloud. At last, Google selects 20 AI-first startups for the 8th batch of its India Startup Accelerator program. Startups represent cutting-edge AI innovation in India, addressing challenges such as discovering antibodies, detecting identity fraud, and aiding small and medium businesses. The accelerator offers a 3-month equity-free program with mentorship across AI, ML, cloud, UX, Android, Fab, product strategy, and growth. Conducts workshops focused on product design, customer acquisition, and leadership, starting with a week-long in-person boot camp. Some startups include Garn.ai, Presentations.ai, Galaxy Space, Pepper Content, and Zocket, among others. The goal is to enable the development and scaling of responsible and human-centered AI solutions impacting various industries. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।